on me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
So guys, this happens a lot to a lot of girls, and it actually happened in my other video, but I was doing eyeliner instead. So what you're gonna do is take a wipe, a makeup wipe, and wipe off the spot that has the mascara or eyeliner. My God. So now I look absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm gonna make sure you get all the mascara off or you'll have discoloration. It is. So basically, it's a nice big hole in my makeup and you don't want to go out looking like that. So what you're gonna do is just retrace your steps. We're gonna backtrack. So I'm gonna start with my primer, my Tatcha primer, and you're just gonna put it all over that spot. And this should be really helpful. I got this requested by one of my friends who said that it would be a good idea because she was watching the other video, and in the other video I ended up getting eyeliner here. I will at the end of this video put a link to the video so you guys can watch it. So I ended up getting a mark here of purple eyeliner, and I noticed a little bit later and I was like, oh my God, look at this. And I zoomed all the way in, and then I had to remove it, and I didn't really do the steps that I'm doing now. I just covered it up for the sake of the video to get through it. Now, she had wrote to me and she was like, oh, that would be a dope idea for a video because that happens to a lot of people. And I was like, that is a really good idea. And I kind of got upset at myself for not trying to patch it up in the video. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna record that. So that's why I'm doing this video today. But yeah, so that's what we were doing. The primer should already be settling in. And now we're gonna go in with our foundation. I wouldn't go in with a brush just because like you don't want it to be so harsh. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender instead and just dab it out. And the reason you just don't put on whatever you put on last on that in this case is because I don't know if you guys have ever tried that. You just put on some highlighter right in the middle of your nose and keep it going. But throughout the day you do sweat and stuff like that and touch your face and you know, so you'll end up seeing that patch and you don't want your makeup to look like that. So yeah. Once we've got that little thing fixed up with some foundation, I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. This used to happen to me a lot when I was first starting out because I'll be like, okay, I finished my look, let me just put some mascara just to, you know, and as soon as I switch to the other side, right on the nose. I've had mascara like here before because, you know, I'll be talking to people while doing my makeup and boom, ended up there. I was also going to do in this video an eyeliner mistake patch up, but I'm not really confident in that yet because I still get frustrated when I mess up my eyeliner and it like gets all the way over here on eyeshadow and stuff. It's really frustrating. I just usually start the whole eye over. I'm gonna go in and conceal our nose like as if we were gonna highlight. And blend that out. Okay, and put a little powder on that, setting powder. Now we're going to bring back the contour in that, in the sides of the nose. We're going to dust off this bake. I don't want it to sit too long. And now we're going to go back in with our highlight. I put a little too much. Okay. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. You see that it doesn't look too different. I promise you guys, once I get better at fixing eyeliner mistakes on your makeup, I will post a video like that. So for now, I hope this was helpful. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the alert button just to get notified when I do post more videos. See you next time.